Za leto 2017 by brez težav rekli, da je kulturno leto. Po vsem svetu potekajo praznovanja v spomin enemu največjih dramatikov in poetov vseh časov. Mož, katerega vpliv je veličasten, saj so njegova dela še vedno aktualna. Še posebej v današnjem času, 400 let po njegovi smrti. Zdaj bom preklopila na angleščino. And I have to say that's one of the reasons I've been so impressed this evening by the performances and the level of English. It's absolutely amazing. And of course I studied Shakespeare at school. King Lear was one of the plays that I did for my final exams when I was 18. And if I'd known that 25 years later I'd be here in Slovenia enjoying performances in English from students from Celje Gymnasium, I would have been astounded. And it's actually a huge pleasure to hear the extracts from the plays and to hear these performances this evening, because when English, which is such an international language, is your mother tongue, you get very used to hearing people from all over the world speaking often, wonderful English, but in quite a functional or utilitarian way. It's a way to communicate. That's why everyone speaks English. But it's a real pleasure to hear students from Slovenia speaking some of the most famous extracts from the most famous plays from Shakespeare, and really exploring and enjoying the depth and the beauty of my language. It's a real pleasure to hear that and to hear it done so well. So thank you very, very much.